Good morning, sports fans. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, coming to you from Marco Island, Florida. Took a good look at the market this weekend, specifically inventory. Condo inventory is pretty stable, but single-family home inventory has been downticking over the last couple of weeks. Actually, if you include the last month, which had a downtick, we are trending lower on a very, very short-term basis. Interestingly enough, I've seen the vacant lot inventory increase and boat dock inventory increase. So if you're thinking about maybe buying a lot, building a home, buying a boat, or bringing your boat down, those availabilities have been upticking over the last couple of weeks. So if you're interested in buying, selling, renting, building, or investing, either commercial or residential, give me a call. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, 219-406-6482, 219-406-6482, and have a great Monday.